All right, in here, I have begun my project. As you see, it's a mess around here. Where's there go my soldering gun. There's the soldering gun. The soldering gun, yeah. That's what I did, boy. That's what I did. And now, here's my PVC board. As you can see, I got all the wiring. I got the Y, the B, the X. The Y, the B, the X. All of that. All of the buttons wired for that. Then I got the, what is that? The on button, the start button, and the back button. So now I just have to do these right here. These contacts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have to do something with these triggers to get the R1 buttons, the R2 buttons working. But so far, there you have it. Look at my soldering. It ain't the best of soldering, but it's on there. I'm out.